gonna be a great tutorial. This is the one you need to sew your patches by hand. Really easy. But first, I want to show you what I've been doing so far. So this is iron on, really cute. This one is iron on as well, and this one too. Maybe you saw it in a few pictures because it's so nice. This one, okay, it was already like this, and I put it on top because I want colors, you know. I want colors. I realized that I had so many plain garments, and I started putting some colors and flowers, and like my mood changed, and yeah, it's kind of vibe, different vibe with this one, for example. And this one is stretch. It's really stretch, and I use it a lot. And what I did is sewing by hand. That is what we're going to do today. Okay? I'm listening to music, but I don't want to put it on. First, because you won't listen to me, and second, because every time I dance, I make videos dancing and everything. Then I had to delete it because the music is like that. So, all of these you can make it with my patches, of course, that you can buy on my website, that you can find in my bio. Well, this one, for example, it's gonna be, we're not gonna use iron, as I told you. So I just prepared some things. I don't know if you already had a look. Okay, now we're closer. So you can put a hand underneath. We were here, we already made this. So just hold and you just go here, yay. There, amazing. And we can go underneath. If you couldn't catch it, you just go back. Yes. You know, do you? El corazón a la casa. I'm just singing one song that it says, put your heart to what you're doing, you know. Because at this moment, this is the most important thing I'm making right now. And that's super healthy for your brain. Por ti lo dejo todo. Oh, what you can do as well is if you want to be more creative, you can get other colors and you can start matching flowers and leaves. Hello. We are closer now. So we've been making like here, a little bit more. The good thing about trousers is that you can go through both sides. So I left it where? Here. I didn't have any more threads. Una vez más. Y si llueve arrópalo en tu pecho. Oh. I'm singing. I'm listening Juan Luis Guerra. It's this beautiful and romantic bachata. So I think he was the first one who introduced bachata. It was my first CD at home. So I don't know if you noticed, but I'm using this like a glove. This is because I didn't use so many pins, so I managed like this. So now I'm going through one leaf to the other one. Makes sense. I hope it does. So now I just did like this, and I think that this one will be bothering me afterwards. So I go back and I make sure it stays on my trousers forever. Here I have my second thread just too close, so I just pull and make sure that I'm only using one. The thing is that using one, as you can see, you can't notice what I've been doing, and I think you can use it like more time, longer, the thread. That's cool. That's because if you are on it, you are like enjoying the moment, the crafty moment you are giving to yourself. You're breathing and listening to your favorite music. You don't want this to stop, do you? Voy a pedir su mano para. Voy a cortar un ramo en nube para. So I'm gonna just put another pin here. Voy a pasar por los yayales en una yagua de azul. Make it with a very good light. If it's daylight, even better. So we're going just sew in the borders We're not gonna sew the inside. We need mobility. Sometimes I go running with these trousers. Sometimes I stretch. Maybe make a list of things with these trousers. Remember, I bought them in LA in a really place, in a really strange. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna keep on making today till the Sunday it's gone, and the sun as well, I think. I hope you can make something similar, and yeah, just to enjoy it. That's the way. And of course, I used this one, which is the large size, and this one is the medium size, one of the medium size. So if you want just to have them any color you like, any of these colors. See you around. Ciao, bye bye.